There's a big steer in social media today. There's crashing metrics, engagements are not the same, and to earn followers, it's just a little bit more challenging. Today, I want to help you see the Instagram algorithm the same way that I see it. It is simply a playing field that we use just like a soccer game or a basketball game. You have a set of rules that make the game harmonious, but those rules you can use in order to succeed and to grow your business. Today, I'm going to show you how the algorithm works, and in the next class, we will talk about the different strategies that you can use to grow your business and to beat the algorithm. My name is Rafael Laurentin from 360 Sensu Media. I dedicate my life to creating beautiful content with my clients and to help them grow their social media, and I want to share this information with you. Welcome to the 360 tutorials. Stay tuned for more information. Let's consider 4 different factors in social media. You simply need to understand, organically, Instagram and any other social media platform will show you to a certain percentage of your audience. They will show them your content. In order for that content to be shown to more people or even people who don't follow you, you have to have the right combination of these factors. First, you need to consider the engagement. In order for engagements to go up, you need to make content that is relevant to your audience, that steers questions, and that help your viewer react to it. Your content needs to be reactive. So, in order to get more engagement, you simply need to understand what your audience wants to watch. If you're a photographer like me, maybe it's I'll do later on video tutorials about how to edit pictures. Somebody who's looking for fitness tutorials or fitness content, you may want to do daily tips or a weekly playlist that you use for exercises. It's all about creating questions in your audience. The second factor you need to consider is time. What does this mean? Every platform and every app out there makes their money off of how long are users interacting with the app and spending time inside of the app. So if you apply this to Instagram or any other social media platform, the longer that you can keep your viewer coming back for content, the more Instagram will favor your content and show it to other people. Next, you have to consider frequency. This is very important because a person that is not in the platform frequently, they're going to get content distributed to them a little differently than a person who is constantly and daily spending time and interacting with the platform. Let me give you an example. If you have a person who goes in maybe like once, twice a week, maybe the third time during the weekend, they'll kind of browse around the platform, they're going to get content related to their like patterns, what they're liking, what they have liked, what their network and what their followers look like, and what accounts they're following and they're interested in. So if you are maybe a new account that they followed but they haven't engaged with, you need to help that person either come back to the platform or focus on the people like the next type of person I'm going to describe, which is the person who is daily checking in the morning, sharing the stories, commenting on your stories and reacting to stuff. That person is going to get shown content a little more chronological, but it is not going to be the same way as before. When Instagram started, we all knew that as soon as I posted a picture in the morning, everybody thereon will get to see the picture chronologically with no curation of the content whatsoever. Now, today, Instagram and other platforms, when they grow, they're trying to steer people towards paid ads, pushing content in order to grow businesses. So this means that organic engagement is going to go a little lower. So your strategy is going to be using a combination of engagement, the time that you're helping people to spend in the platform, and the frequency that your customers and your viewers or the people who are just simply watching your juicy content are spending in the platform to help unlock that organic engagement. The last factor that you need to consider is the element of ego. We all know how Instagram worked before, where you could see how many likes a picture gotten. Considering this and knowing the different social factors and the social impact that having likes and having people see how many likes somebody else is getting had in society, Instagram made the decision to simply not remove them completely, because you as the owner of the account, you can still see the likes that a picture gets, but others will not see it at all. They'll just see others like this, hundreds like this, thousands like this, or maybe millions like this. That is all that is left on Instagram. But this doesn't mean that the element of the like and the content is out of play. It is very important to understand that you need to create content that makes the algorithm consider it important to your viewers. So, all things considered, the likes being gone doesn't mean that it's something negative. It just means that you have to take the time to really dig into who's watching you, who's connecting with you on a daily basis, to create content for them that engages. So what now? You understand how the Instagram algorithm works, and you have fine-tuned your knowledge about it. On the next episode, I'm going to show you how you can fine-tune your strategy, and you can use the different tools inside of Instagram and the different ways to connect with people in order to get engagement, get the people viewing, create frequency on your viewers, and get those likes that we all want to get on a daily basis to grow our business and to create meaningful connections with our followers. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Rafael Laurentin, and if you like this video, give it a like, share it with somebody who might get some value from it. Follow any of our social media platforms. These videos will be everywhere for you, and we'll see you in the next episode of 360 Tutorials.